Woo! We got first mods for the Miata. Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a small install for the MX5 or the Miata. I don't know what to call it. Kind of like calling it both. But here they are. Let's get straight into it. All right, we've got some clear side indicators and some clear reflectors that are going to be replacing the rear bumper reflectors, the fender indicators, and the front bumper reflectors. I went with clear because I think the theme I'm gonna go with is like blue and clear, and it matches the headlights, the wheels, and I really wanted to try and find some red ones to try and match the tails, but they're like $130 brand new, and I couldn't find any secondhand, so I'll stick with clear for now, and then maybe in the future I might change it up. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver, which is on my handy, can you just get off please? Which is on my handy Leatherman, which is hiding away somewhere in there. Boop. All right, let's start off with just taking these off. Oh, this is gonna be super easy. There we go, just finished getting the first one in. Already that I feel like that matches everything so much better than the orange. Okay guys, moving on to the fronts now, and you can already tell how much better that's gonna look. Luckily, I have a trim removal tool. Thank you. Give this one a go. Oh, sweet, got it. Guys, I'm an idiot. There's a special way you're meant to install them. Like I think there's a special set for the front and the rear. So I'm pretty sure I installed the rear ones wrong because I just tried to fit this one the right way in and it wasn't fitting. And then I went to look at another one and it had the same shape as this but wider. And I'm pretty sure wider has to go at the front because it went further in. But the back, it was sticking out a lot. So I just fixed that one up and it is looking fucking perfect now. It's like super flush, so I'm gonna have to probably go back and change those. I'm an idiot. Okay guys, we are done. Firstly, don't be like me. I just had to unscrew all of them and mix them around because I thought they all fit like anywhere, but they actually have their designated areas. So a little tip, the thicker plastic ones go on the front because there's more room for them to go inwards, and the thinner ones go on the rear because I was wondering why they were sticking out so much. So I went and fixed that. So here we go. We got this angle. They look so good. Clear there. I'm about to swap these out, but clear's on the front. Wow. Okay, that looks way cleaner. Okay, now that the reflectors are all cleared out and looking awesome, we are gonna take these off. And I looked up a video online and it looks super easy, so let's give it a go. So he said, pull to the back of the car. Oh. Now I think all you do is just twist like that. Now because there is a clear bulb there, it actually comes with some amber bulbs because that won't flash the correct color when indicating. So it comes with these. Go back in there. Peel this off, very satisfying. Oh. I'm gonna try not to touch this with my fingers, so try and get it on this little paper towel like that. Try and install it like this. Look at that. Didn't even touch it. There we go. And then in like that. There we go. Clear indicators. You. Yep. Grab our clear lens once again. Oh, twist. Yep, that's all locked in. And we're done. And there we have it, guys. How much cleaner does that look with the clear reflectors and clear indicators, just to show they work? Hell yeah. Man, I'm super happy with that. I feel like the car already looks 10 times cleaner. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think. Do you prefer clear or amber? Alright guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed that little mod. Thought I'd make a video on it. And I hope you guys are enjoying the MX5 content. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.